Ready? Go.
Play. ALPHABOTS Assemble. Part 2.
Meanwhile, at the Universal Solar System Intergalactic Planetary Space Station.
Meow. ALPHABOT, you're the funniest.
Yeah. Tell us another one, ALPHABOT.
Okay, one more. Why couldn't the pirate finish the alphabet? Meow, I don't know. Because he got lost at sea.
We got another call coming in. Hello, Grimlock and Cheetor. Is that you up there, Soundwave? What's up, little dude? Oh, wow, it's Bumblebee. Well, Optimus wanted me to check in while he was getting his oil changed. You know, it's a bummer, but Megatron is getting closer, and we need those ALPHABOTS assembled to stop that unrighteous dude.
Meow, Bumblebee, you are the coolest.
Well, you guys are amazing. One ALPHABOT assembled, and now you're on to number 2, the middle of the alphabet. My favorite part. I just love how LMNOP rolls off the tongue and hits hard after with a Q. Boom. Never get tired of that. Come on.
One more thing before you go, Bumble. Meow. Could you tell us how you are so cool?
Oh, that's easy. I help. I help people feel cool on the outside and good on the inside by saying nice things and helping with their problems. Not making a big mess and cleaning up after myself so no one has to worry about me. And that seems to make everybody happy. Now listen, Grimlock, Cheetor, and of course Soundwave. I know you got this. Good luck. Bye-bye now.
Meow. I'm ready to do this, Grimlock. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I said I was ready already. I was checking if you were ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's get some ALPHABOTS. Meow.
J. J makes a jaw sound. J is for jumping. Jump, 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 jump. K. K makes the car sound. K is for kids. L. L makes the sound. L for laughing. What baby? M makes the sound. M is for mom. N makes the sound. N is for nose. O makes the O sound. O is for ocean. P makes a P sound. P is for panda. Q makes the Q sound. Q for Kristen.
Meow, look, Grimlock, they're doing it again.
Oh, wow. I'm so excited. They're assembling to the second ultimate ALPHABOT.
J K L M N O P Q.
Meow, 2 down, 1 to go, buddy.
Wow, that just never gets old.
I could do this all day. Meow.
Hello, friends. Sorry I missed you earlier. I had an oil leak and didn't want an accident. You must listen to your body. That's the Autobot way. Well, it looks like Grimlock and Cheetor are doing just fine with the ALPHABOTS. And if you wish to see them get the third ultimate ALPHABOT, please hit the subscribe button. In the meantime, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Farewell, Optimus Prime, rolling out. Hello? Let me try that again. Roll out. Do you still hear me? There's just too many remotes around here. Okay, how about this button? Oh, I'm in the menu now. Okay, how about this button? Input select. This could be bad. Oh, this could be very bad. Bumblebee?
Oh, Opto, it's the third remote under the screen on the left.
Oh, I got it. I got it now. Thank you. Roll out.
Ready, go play.